Hello and welcome. Today we're taking a look around this three-phase industrial heater. As you might have guessed from its name, these products are manufactured to make working life more comfortable in factories, warehouses and commercial sites. Now if we move to the back of the device, you can see a 3-position switch. The 0 is for fan only, and you can use this to circulate air without heating it. The 1 setting emits 9 kilowatts of heat, which should be enough to warm people within close proximity. But if you need more power, there's an 18 kilowatt heat option that really ups the temperature in medium to large spaces. It's also worth noting that when the unit is connected to a power supply and switched on, the fan runs in all 3 switch positions. Now this particular model works with a 415 volt 3-phase power supply, either via a main source or generated. That means that you will need a 415 volt 3-phase 32 amp or 5-pin armoured power lead, available for hire at hss.com or in your local branch. To get started, set the heater onto a firm level surface and avoid placing it close to a wall or other surfaces where the airflow could be restricted. Now as you can see, air flows in from one side of the heater and exits through the back, so both must be clear to avoid fire risks. The unit itself weighs approximately 28 kilograms and comes in 2 different models, one of which has manoeuvrable casters and convenient lifting handles. Whichever model you choose, ensure that the heater isn't in any areas where there is airborne dust, as this could cause it to ignite. To find out more about our 3-phase industrial heaters, head over to hss.com now.